Everyone is showing you how to build AI agents. Nobody is showing you how they fail. A developer gave an AI agent a simple task: clean up duplicate records. Minutes later, the agent deleted an entire production database. Years of data gone. No hacker, no malware, no security breach. Just an AI agent doing exactly what it thought it was supposed to do. And here's the scary part. This wasn't a bug in the model. It was a failure in the architecture. Today I'm going to show you the 3-layer reliability stack that prevents disasters like this and why 99% of AI agent tutorials never mention it. The AI industry is obsessed with one thing: capability, bigger models, longer context windows, better reasoning, more autonomous agents. But production teams care about something completely different: reliability. Because an agent that is 99% accurate sounds amazing. Until you realize that means 1 out of every 100 actions is wrong. Imagine a junior engineer making a critical mistake every 100 commands. Would you give them production access? Of course not. Yet that's exactly what many companies are doing with AI agents. The first layer is permission boundaries. This single layer would have prevented most AI agent disasters you've heard about. Here's what happens. Developers connect an AI agent directly to databases, cloud resources, repositories, deployment systems, and production environments. The agent now has power, but power without boundaries is dangerous. The architect's rule is simple: never give an AI agent write access to anything you cannot afford to lose. Production databases, read only. Customer records, read only. Critical infrastructure, read only. If an action can cause damage, require approval. Think of it this way: you don't let a new intern deploy directly to production. Why would you let an LLM do it? The second layer is validation checkpoints. AI agents optimize for completing tasks. They do not optimize for being correct. That's a critical difference. An agent can generate code that looks perfect, compiles perfectly, passes a quick review, and still fail catastrophically in production. So before any action reaches a real system, force it through validation. Database change? Run schema validation. Deployment? Run integration tests. File deletion. Verify environment, production action, verify authorization. The secret is simple: never trust the output, trust the tests. The third layer is cost ceilings, and this one protects your wallet. AI agents love loops: retry loops, tool loops, reasoning loops. One broken workflow can quietly burn hundreds of dollars in API credits before anyone notices. At enterprise scale, that becomes thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands. The fix? Give every task a budget, a token budget, a time budget, a tool call budget. When the budget is exceeded, stop. Escalate to a human. Fail safely. Permission boundaries, validation checkpoints, cost ceilings. That's the reliability stack. Notice something? None of these layers make the model smarter, they make the system safer. And that's the lesson most AI tutorials miss. The companies winning with AI aren't building the smartest agents. They're building the most reliable systems. Because in production, reliability beats intelligence every single time. Stop being impressed by AI demos. Start thinking like an architect. Because the difference between an AI toy and an AI system isn't the model, it's the architecture. Stop being a user, become an architect.